Why do I need to rake my frame?
So the reason our big wheel kits require rake in the frame is it's the only way to maintain a perfect stock trail measurement. A stock touring bike, when it comes from the factory, has 6.5 inches of positive trail. You want to maintain that stock trail number at 6.5 inches for proper handling and a proper relationship between the front and the rear tire of the bike, which is what ultimately creates the way your bike handles. The second reason that we rake the bike is to create an aesthetic balance. It's very important, let's face it, the reason we all head down this road or we are attracted to big wheels or fat tires is because we love the way they look. They look badass, right? We want our bike to look great. That's what we are. We're a custom shop. We're an aftermarket company that makes the bikes look better. So with that being said, we want to create an aesthetic balance for the larger wheel so it looks like it was supposed to be on the bike originally. It looks like the bike was designed to have that size tire and wheel on it. And when we finish one of our bikes with our Bagger Nation products, we really feel that these bikes have a great aesthetic balance. And then the bonus is that they handle incredible. They really perform terrifically in a variety of situations, and especially in the situations that we are most fond of putting our bikes through, which is canyon shredding and high speeds. That's what we love to do when we get out on the weekends and we get on our motorcycles. So this is the best of both worlds.
What if I have a different style of wheel in mind for my SRT project other than the designer wheels that Bagger Nation offers? What if I have a different style of
6 styles of designer wheels that we have in stock at Bagger Nation in black or chrome. But if you've got something else in mind for your SRT project, if there's something specific or you have a favorite wheel, it's easy for us to ship you a wheel blank instead of a designer wheel. And you can contact your favorite wheel manufacturer and see if they can manufacture their style of wheel in a 20x5 size. There might be a programming charge or something like that. We can send them the specifications for our hubs, which are easy to follow, and you could have pretty much any style of wheel, I would imagine, as long as it's not a 3-dimensional size wheel. It takes a really thick blank to cut, and even those wouldn't be limited by Metal Sport because they can cut you a 3D wheel from a solid plate, not even from one of our wheel blanks. So there's lots of options. If one of our 6 styles don't fit exactly what you have in mind, there's lots of options you could pursue.
How's my bike going to handle after installing my new SRT kit?
In a word, amazing. When we set out to design the SRT kit and we decided we wanted to do a wide front tire kit, we were looking to recapture some of the sport touring, some of the performance aspects of these bikes that we love that have seemed to kind of got lost when these wheels got into 30s and these huge wheels. We wanted to bring it back to sensibility and to really enjoy the riding style that we love, but you still wanted to celebrate the big wheel trend. We didn't want to go away from this whole large wheel on a touring bike that looks so killer and it's such a killer aesthetic look. We just wanted to bring some muscle to it and some performance and get back to what we love. So to answer that question, sitting still when you first sit on the bike, you're going to feel more traction underneath the tire because your patch contact is bigger. So that's going to make it, as you turn right to left, sitting still, more tire touching the ground will make it drag more and feel heavier. It's not heavier. Your trail is still at 6.5 inches. But once you start moving, that's when the magic comes. Now you're going to be dealing with the full radius that we intentionally designed into this tire. Not a low profile, not a flat tire with an edge on it, a full radius. Performance designed, load rated, speed rated, this tire rated, this tire.
What makes Bagger Nation's SRT 20-inch wide performance tire kit the best?
Well, it's simple. There's no compromises. There's a reason why we chose a 20-inch wheel. There's a reason why we chose Shinko as a tire partner, and it's because we had a specific direction when we started heading towards our Steamroller Touring wide performance tire kits. The mission was no compromise. That was our goal. That's what we wanted to avoid. We didn't want you to have to compromise anything in your handling, your performance, your aesthetic look, the balance. We wanted to love every aspect of this. So here's some of the things to ask if you're looking at other options, smaller wheels, bigger wheels, different tires, one, do I have to cut on stuff? Right? Do I have to cut my fork cans and expose my fork seals? Do I have to remove some of the material from my fork leg? Very dangerous to do that. Do I have to limit my suspension travel with travel limiters? It means you don't have you're cutting your travel in half. Do I have to increase my preload on my forks so my bike rides really stiff? Am I running a true front tire? DOT approved, load rated, speed rated, built by a reputable company? Or am I having to run a tire that's built for a sport bike, not load rated, backwards? Do I have a balloon aesthetic? Do I have a true radius, right? Or am I running a low profile tire that's built for cosmetic purposes and with no performance thought of at all? So the answer with our kit is no. There are no compromises. You're not having to do any of these things. Your fork cans stay intact. You have full suspension travel. Your bike is balanced aesthetically. You have a DOT approved, load rated, speed rated tire built for performance. With any other kit, you're compromising something. With our SRT kit, there's no compromises.
Paul, what's involved with the rake process?
There's an easy to follow step-by-step video on the website you can watch, walks you through the whole process. You really don't need to know anything about motorcycles. You just need to be a proficient welder. You cut the neck off, you put our block in, you weld it back together. We walk you through the simple process, and then afterwards you mold it up and paint it, put your bike back together. It's really not that big of a deal. We've spent over 5 years perfecting and developing our SRT kits, and we have a solution for every problem that may arise, such as when you rake your bike, your headlight points up at the air. We make headlight correction kits for Road Glides, Street Glides, and Road King models. And our kit comes complete really with everything you need. It's triple trees, the rake neck apparatus, fender, wheel, tire, braking, suspension, everything you have to build the best handling touring bike you've ever experienced. I'm telling you, get ready to be blown away.